I have a problem with my Mexican Petunia. I think it may be a fungus. What do I need to do? And this is Orlando on YouTube. So you know a little bit about the Mexican Petunia?
Yeah, the Joellen bretoniana.
Yeah.
And actually, it's invasive, considered an invasive species, especially in Florida and other states.
Okay.
It is a little bit here because I know people that have it and they get a lot of it because it reseeds itself very readily.
All right.
And he's having problems with it.
Yeah, with fungus.
It could be that it's in a really wet area and maybe it doesn't like it there.
Maybe.
Maybe it's in a zone that's a little high for it, that it's not appropriate for it. It's at the edge of one of its zones that it lives in. I don't know because...
especially without a picture.
Yeah,
kind of hard to tell.
It's hard to tell, and but be careful you might see if it's invasive in your state to not plant it. But if it's having problems, try to raise it up a little bit and give it a little better drainage, maybe environmentally.
Good air circulation.
Yeah.
Yeah, because petunias, a couple of things that come to mind that we talked about earlier. Botrytis blight, is something that that comes to mind, and powdery mildew is something else that comes to mind as well. If it's too wet, right?
Too humid out.
Right. Yeah, humidity is a big part of powdery mildew. But yeah, so if they're crowded, which they probably are because they can be invasive, those are the two that come to mind to me, botrytis blight or the powdery mildew. Culturally, all the things that you mentioned.
Yeah, just raise them up.
Raise them up, good
air
circulation. Do things like that. If you have to use a fungicide, there are some out there that you can use. Read and follow the label. Daconil is one that you can use.
Yes.
Sulfur is one that you can use. And neem oil is another one that comes to mind that you can use as well. But read and follow the label on that.
Definitely.
Okay? Yeah. So let's make sure we get the fungus identified, right? So we can use the right methods to control it. But culturally, let's do those things.
Yeah.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.